In this video, I'll be unboxing the Canon SELPHY RP-54, which is a set of 54 sheets and an ink cartridge. And then I'll show you how to install the ink cartridge. It works with all SELPHY printers. To open the box, it's very easy. You have two open signs here on the top part of the box where it's red. You just have to pull on them. Here we have the first pack of paper. The 54 sheets of paper are divided in 3 separate packages. They did this so you never put more than 18 papers in the paper tray, because if you put more, it may block the printer. So it's very handy that they divided the papers in 3. This way you'll never have a problem. And finally, we have the ink cartridge. This ink cartridge will last for the entire set of 54 papers. And by the way, this is how the papers look. One side is glossy and the other one is matte with the Canon logo over it. Alright, now let me show you how to install the ink cartridge into your SELPHY printer. This works with, again, any Canon SELPHY printers, not only this new one, but also with older ones. When you open, be careful, never touch with your finger the yellow ribbon. On your Canon printer, you should have on the right side a door that gives you access to the printer cartridge. It's very easy to insert it. On the cartridge itself, there is an arrow. I know you don't see it well, but it's there. It shows you the direction in which you should slide this cartridge into the printer. Use the white side facing up, like this. The white side facing up, and you just slide it until it clicks in place. You see the small brown holder there? It should click and keep the cartridge from going out. Then you can simply close the door and you're good to go. I hope this video was useful. If so, please check the links in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. This is the best way to support my channel. If not, I'll see you the next one. Don't forget to comment and to like the video.